Honestly, when I see people doing financially better than me, I feel so happy for them.
Would you say money and finances were something talked about when you were growing up in your household?
Definitely not. My parents rarely ever talked about finances, so I didn't know. I had zero financial literacy. It was almost kind of like a taboo topic where they didn't really want me and my sister to know where we're really at financially.
Did that make it challenging as you transitioned into adulthood to navigate the entire world of financial literacy?
I learned a lot about finances through my ex, who is an accountant. And yeah, I feel like he really taught me how to budget, how to be more open to talking about finances and be more financially stable. So that was definitely a plus.
Yeah. How did you navigate into adulthood of getting your own bank account set up and just all of the initial startup with that?
Well, I had a bank account, like a joint bank account with my parents when I was young, like those debit ones. But I never really like asked questions like, oh, how should I
Yeah.
spend this? So whatever I got, I spent. I'm not gonna lie. It was
Okay.
horrible. I started my first job really late. I think I was like 20 or something. And that's when I really got my like first paycheck. I was like, what do I do with all this money? Spent it.
What'd you spend it on?
Clothes, probably went shopping, makeups, just a bunch of knickknacks and stuff I don't really use anymore.
Yeah.
So I'm like, imagine if I like invested or like if I had some like financial literacy, what would I have done with that? But I mean, you live and you learn.
That's a good one. Do you think debt can be a tool to get yourself ahead? Do you see debt more of like a scary negative thing? Do you have any thoughts on that?
I always thought debt was so scary. Like, I never wanted to be in debt. Yeah, I feel like there's definitely ways you can leverage debt into being financially well. I've heard so many stories where people do that. So, the credit card I've had since I was like 18. It's what my parents used.
Do you see any benefit in getting another credit card?
Yeah, I think so. I think it can keep you organized. Let's say like if you have a personal and a business credit card, keeps it separate, keeps it organized, better for I guess tax season
Better
for
for your
accountant.
Is there a place, you're hoping to be in the future when it comes to kind of your relationship with money? Do you feel good about where you're at with your relationship with money?
Yeah, elevate in my finances for sure, and hopefully talk to a financial advisor about my trajectory in my finances and saving more, saving up for a house for sure. I would love to. How about you? Have you been doing any like investing or like?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for asking. I have. It's like a newer thing for me though, because I feel like when you start entering this world of investing, there's so much to it. It feels so overwhelming. It can be really daunting.
Yeah, no, seriously.
Yeah,
And I feel so lost. I'm like, where do I start really?
Yeah.
Like,
How would you say you defined financial well-being?
financial well-being for me, honestly, it's unique to each individual, I think. There is no real template you need to go by. So I feel like it's really reflect on yourself and like what you want in life instead of just looking outward and seeing what everyone else is doing.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
your own version of success in that financial well-being
Yeah.
space doesn't need to be someone else's definition.
Yeah, you
Like,
just
that's okay.
define it yourself.
Yeah.
You're so open to talking about finances. Even being here talking about how to manage and being more financially literate, it's making it like less taboo for me and for I'm sure people watching.
Yeah, we're normalizing the conversation where it doesn't need to be this
Yeah.
big scary
It's not,
thing.
yeah.
Thank you for having this conversation and helping normalize conversations like this. It's been lovely.
Thank you for having me. That was so much fun and you're so lovely and so easy to talk to.
As are you.
Yeah, we need to chat more.
We do. We need to
Yeah.
chat more.
Yeah.